Howdy y'all, it's Kathy from RustPaperScissors, and I'm here today with a little Halloween journal that I wanted to flip through. It is made from a file folder. It has sticky backed velvet on the spine. On the inside is also sticky backed velvet. This is just a digital print. It has a charm of a skull. On the closure is a mini bulldog clip closure with chain. It has a black velvet bookmark with a little circle and star in it. And let's go inside. It has this library card holder. It has an inventory list. Oh, it's supposed to have a library book card in there. I'll add that to the book. This is just a little Dollar Tree blackboard tag that I made. This is a little vial that I made that I put some black glitter in there, and I added the word poison. This is just a digital. And then this is just a collage that I made. This is basically a blank journal, a lot of blank pages. Really want you to take it and make it your own. This is just some tracing paper. This is some shorthand paper. This was a book of my mom's from the 1940s. And then, like I say, there's just a lot of blank pages, some stickers, a little vintage map, and it says, "I'd turn back if I were you." This is some seismic paper that was gifted me, just some ledger paper. This is a little digital thumbprint. Little raven stamp, and like I say, just more blank pages. That's another digital you can write on. This is Midnight Moonlight and Magic. The center of the signature is an envelope. I covered it with the skull, and then the back I left blank for you to make your own. This is a little goblin or monster tag that I made. And then this is just a digital that I added in there. It got some poison pill box, another digital print. Okay, pumpkin patch and apple orchard tags. This is a little tag from the Dollar Tree that I painted and added. And then these are just plain. This is a little flying monkey and the Wicked Witch of the West. And then the back is a tuck spot with a poison apple and Salem Broom Company. This is a little like a tarot card or a witch's card that has got the King of Hearts on the back. And then the back is just this sticker, and then a library card holder, and it's just got a couple of little tags in there. So that is that, and this one will be for sale in my Etsy shop. I believe it's called The Skeleton, and I would appreciate it if you left a comment, or if you have a question, please just message me, and I do appreciate your time. Thank you.